What's today, Beatrice?
Is it Easter?
Yes.
Are you doing your Easter egg hunt? Oh, there's one!
So,
Keep going. Wow. Somebody hid these really well. Keep going around the rest of the house.
I want to see what's in here.
Okay, you can open up some of them. Take a break and open up some of them. B, is this your puppy?
Yep.
What's your puppy's name? Does this puppy have a name?
No.
No, no name. What's in there?
It's an apricot.
Ooh, yummy. I love apricots. You gonna eat it? No? What's in the other one? Eat that. It's good. Taste it. Doesn't it taste good? It's a prune. Tastes yummy, huh? Yeah. All right, open another one. See, prunes are good. Can I help you? Bunnies! Got a lot of prune in your mouth. Happy Easter. Why are you wearing your Christmas pajamas?
I don't have any either pajamas.
Still eating that prune, huh? You want to eat your bunnies?
But one more there.
You found another egg over there?
Go get it.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh, what are those?
M&M's.
M&M's. Can I have one?
Yeah.
Give Dad one. Happy Easter.
Thank you.
That Easter bunny's nice. He gives you some healthy snacks and some sweet snacks.
Yep.
There's more eggs in the rest of the house. You don't have to eat all your M&Ms now. Yep. Keep looking. You saw more eggs in there. Oh, bunnies and M&Ms. We can save those, okay?
What's in here?
Bunnies. Oh my goodness, you have so many goodies. Did you eat your Easter bunny last night?
What?
Did you eat your peanut butter bunny last night that Grandma brought you? All right, should we go look for more eggs?
Yeah.
All right, bring your little bag. Another one. You're good at this. I thought you were gonna have to have Theo help
Hi.
you. Whoa!
I saw both.
I thought you were gonna have to have Theo help you.
I saw two, so. Cool. Joey beans.